Our factory is located in Tianjin, China, which is a very famous bike industry area. Welcome to our factory, and in this workplace you can see the bike frames are mainly welding by here, and in there you can see the automatic mechanical machine. The workers use machine one day can produce about 800 to 1000 frames, and the produce department is mainly in charge of the manufacturing. In there, we prepare for the materials of the aluminum bike frames. Our workers will cut and adjust the tubes in there. Then the tubes will be transferred to the next department for welding. Now, we're in the next part. Many of the products such as mountain bikes and electric bikes are made of aluminum alloy or steel, and they have different welding lines. One welding team can finish about 800 to 1000 peaks a day, and we can see this is our professional workers here. These are our blank alloy bike frames, and we offer our customers OEM service, including modifying frame color and painting the logo. Please see the perfect welding appearance. Now we'll come back to there, and all the frames, no matter aluminum frames or steel frames, they will be packaged and protected very well. And the sales team, they are mainly responsible for selling and distribution. So after shipping, your products will be delivered in your hand in good condition. We adopt a high temperature phosphating in this workplace, and after brushing, all the bike parts will be put in there, and after cooling, they will be transferred to the painting area. We adopt automatic machine to finish the internal painting, and the workers will wash and check the appearance again and again after painting. We have experienced women workers, and they're mainly responsible for external painting and adding the logo. So, next, follow me, let's go. In the assembly line, there will be at least 2 group leaders supervise the whole assembly process and the work environment to make sure all the products can pass the quality test and work standards. We have 2 assembly lines to assemble different types of bicycles and e-bikes. Customers can choose different ways for the package, SKD or the CKD. You can choose the layers and the protective materials. After shipping, the products will be delivered to hands in good condition, and Guoda always committed to developing professional production.